Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents India's biggest online public speaking championship, and this is my official entry for round 2. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ishan Ali, and today I'm going to be speaking you guys about an attitude, a belief system, and a mindset which has led people achieve whatever they have always wanted to achieve. Well, I have got my topic for today, and that is whatever it takes. I will get started with a quotation, and that is, nothing worth having comes easy. Well, nothing worth having comes easy. What do you think? People who have achieved big in their lives, people who have set examples in this world, people who have done extraordinary in their lives, haven't been through failures, haven't been through setbacks, haven't been through, tough times, haven't sacrificed anything. Well, they did go through each and everything. But they did go through because they had this dream, they had this purpose, they had this big why in their head, that why do they want to achieve this. There are tons and tons of examples which epitomizes this phrase, whatever it takes. Virat Kohli, once he was playing out of his town for his Ranji team, and he came to hear about a devastating news, and the news was the demise of his father. Despite of knowing that, he played for his team, he managed to save the team and went back to his town after playing the game and attended the funeral. Now, imagine the kind of pain that was going through, but he had this bigger purpose to achieve something big. He sacrificed that. Nelson Mandela was put for 30 years in jail. Post that, he became the president. Mahatma Gandhi, Jeff Bezos, who was initially a truck driver, and now we all know who Jeff Bezos is. Everything, people who have done big in their life, it all had started with a big purpose, with a big dream, with a big why in their head. We all the time keep hearing about motivational stories. We all the time keep hearing about success stories. But when it comes to ourselves, we kind of, back ourselves. We are not ready to change ourselves. We are not ready to decide our purpose. We are not ready to find our why do we want to do this particular thing. Because if we do not find why do we want to do big things in our lives, we can't attain this attitude of whatever it takes. You got to figure out today itself, what is that one thing that is stopping you to do things that you've always wanted? What is that hurdle in your life? What is stopping you? You got to figure out that, and you have to combat that. If it is fear, combat that. If it is anything else, you have to come in the battleground. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to be relentless to achieve something that you've always wanted. Well, it is truly said that if you want to achieve something that others have not achieved, if you want to have something that others are not having, you've got to do things that others are not doing. Remember, I hope this small video helps you rejuvenate the kind of fire that is inside of you. I hope this video helps you introspect about your life. It helps you find the why and the purpose of your life, and then attaining this attitude called whatever it takes. With that said, this is Ishan Ali signing off.